This is the video for page 163, 33 to 63 odd. Your homework was 34 to 64 odd. Okay, so for number 33, they want you to match the equation to the graph. So you have f of x equals 2x plus 3. Remember, f of x is just like saying y equals 2x plus 3. So your y-intercept is 3. So we've got 3, 3. So you can eliminate here and here. So, and then your slope is 2. So you're going to go up 2 and over 1. So up 2 over 1, so this graph works. And then up 2 and over 1, this one does not. So your only possible choice here is A. So your answer is A. Number 35. Again, y-intercept is 3. So both A and B work. C and D do not. Now I'm going to go, your slope is negative 2. So you're going to go down 2 and over 1. Down 2 and over 1. So your only option is B. Find the slope of each line. So let's graph it. We've got x and y. Remember, go to where x equals 1 and extend the tick mark. If you have a vertical line, your slope is undefined. Okay? Remember, horizontal line, your slope is 0, but vertical line, your slope is undefined. All right, so let's graph it. Go to where y is negative 3. Extend your tick marks. If you have a horizontal line, your slope is 0. Horizontal line, slope 0. Vertical line. Okay, first things first, subtract 2 from both sides. So you get x equals negative 2. Now we're going to graph it. Where is x negative 2? Right here. Extend your tick mark. Vertical line. Undefined slope. Right? Okay, explain how merely looking at a line can tell us whether the slope is negative, positive, undefined, or 0. So, okay, positive, right? Negative, undefined, 0. Easy as that. Find the slope of each line. Y equals mx plus b. So m is negative 1. Okay, so in order to find the slope, I need to put it in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to add 6x to both sides, giving me 5y equals 6x plus 30. Divide each piece by 5. You get y equals 6/5 x plus 6. So your slope is 6/5. Okay, same thing here. Got to put it in slope-intercept. Oh, it is in slope-intercept form. Silly me. It's just written backwards. So let's go ahead and write it. Put the y out in front so we don't get confused. So our slope is just 3. Okay. Y equals mx plus b. If it's y equals 4, you can do a couple things here. You can graph it. If y equals 4, my slope is 0 because it's a horizontal line, right? Or you could have said y equals 0x plus 4. If there's no x, then your slope must be 0. Okay, y equals mx plus b. So my slope is 7. Subtract 6 from both sides. Y equals negative 6. Again, you could just graph it. Right? So your slope, if you have a horizontal line, is 0. Okay. Subtract 2 from both sides. Negative x is equal to 1. Divide both sides by negative 1. X is equal to negative 1. Graph it. If you have a vertical line, your slope is undefined. Okay? Determine whether lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Remember, if your slopes are the same, they're parallel. If they're opposite reciprocals of each other, they're perpendicular. And if they are neither of those, they're neither. Okay? So let's look at the slopes. Okay? They're not the same. They're not negative reciprocals of each other. So these would be neither. Okay? All right, we're going to have to put both of these in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to add 4x to both sides, giving me 2y is equal to 4x plus 5. Divide everything by 2. You get y is equal to 2x plus 5 halves. And then here I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. So I'm going to have negative y is equal to negative 2x plus 7. Then divide everything by negative 1, giving me y is equal to 2x minus 7. 2 because negative and a negative give me a positive. Now let's look at my slopes. 2 and 2. They are the same, so that means these are parallel lines. If the slopes are the same, the lines are parallel. I have to do the same thing here. So I'm going to add 2x to both sides, giving me 3y is equal to 2x plus 1. Divide everything by 3. You get y equals 2/3 x plus 1/3. And then here we're going to subtract 3x from both sides, giving me 2y is equal to negative 3x plus 12. Divide everything by 2, giving me y is equal to negative 3/2 x plus 6. Now let's look at our slopes. 2/3 and negative 3/2 are opposite reciprocals of each other. Because if you take 2/3 and you flip it over and change the sign, you get opposite reciprocals. So these are perpendicular. Okay? All right, that's your homework. Have a good night. See you tomorrow.